Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get more Discord orbs every single method available so you can start earning those shiny little rewards and spending them on cool upgrades like Nitro, avatar decorations, and profile effects. So without further ado, let's get started. First, what are Discord orbs? Think of them like in-game currency for Discord. You earn orbs by completing quests inside the app, and then you can spend them in the Discord shop for awesome stuff, all without spending real money. And here's how to get more orbs. First, you want to open your Discord, then go to the quests section, this one. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a list of available quests. Just look for the ones that show orbs as rewards. These quests might ask you to do things like watch a trailer, play a game with Discord open for a certain amount of time, or join a Discord activity. Each completed task earns you orbs automatically. No hidden steps, no payment required. And once you've earned some orbs, you want to head over to the Discord shop. And inside the shop, you'll find a special category called Orbs Exclusives. This is filled with items you can buy directly with your orbs. Stuff like Nitro custom avatar frames, animated profile effects, and so much more. You'll also notice that some items in the main shop have a small orb symbol next to them. Those can be redeemed using your orbs too. And basically, that's it. The key is to keep checking the quests tab regularly since new quests are added often, giving you more chances to stock up on orbs and grab new rewards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!